Hi everyone. So now we're going to talk about how plants are important for animals and humans. Important means something that you really need, right? Something that you have to have. And we know that humans have to have three things, right? Three basic needs: water, food, and shelter. We talked a lot about this year. Humans need water, food, and shelter, or else we cannot survive. So plants are important for us because we eat fruits and vegetables that come from plants. Plants are all around us, right? Plants are very important to us. Many different types of plants. All of the plants on our earth, right? The ones outside, the ones inside of our houses or our classroom, they all give out oxygen. And oxygen comes from plants. Everyone, let's take a deep breath. The air that we're breathing is oxygen, right? Plants make that oxygen and we breathe it inside of our lungs and it goes inside of our body parts. Humans need oxygen to breathe. Other animals need oxygen too, and plants make that oxygen. Let's say the word oxygen. Oxygen. All of the plants in our world make oxygen. People eat fruits and vegetables that grow on plants. Some people grow root vegetables like carrots in the ground. Some people grow fruit tree orchards. Fruits and vegetables are healthy plants that people eat, right? So root vegetables are a special type of plant that we eat, like carrots and potatoes. They grow like other plants, but we eat the part that grows underground, right? Under the soil. When carrots are growing in the ground, all you can see are the green leafy parts. Then when you pull them out of the soil, we can see the orange carrots, right? We can see the actual vegetable. Potatoes are another kind of root vegetable. The part that we eat, the potato, grows underground, under the soil. Let's look at the type of fruit that the boy is about to eat. Is that a root vegetable? No, it's not a root vegetable because it grows on a tree, right? Above the soil. The fruit grows on the tree, not underground, And what type of fruit is that boy about to eat? An apple, right? An apple. Apples are fruits that grow on trees. Just like humans, other animals eat plants too. Some animals eat the leaves from trees. Some animals, like the monarch butterfly, drink nectar from flowers. Some animals eat berries from trees. Some plants are food, so they are important for all kinds of animals, right? Giraffes eat the leaves off the trees. Butterflies drink the nectar from the flower, and birds eat the berries. So plants are very important to not only humans, but animals too. Sometimes humans and animals like the same types of fruit, right? The chimpanzee and the girl love to eat what? An orange. Very good. Some plants provide shelter for people and animals. Birds and other animals like to build what? Nest, right? They build their nests in the trees to stay warm and dry and shelter their eggs. People like to cool off under the shade of a tree, right? Has anyone ever been to a park? During the summer, you want to have a picnic and you'll find a nice shady part under the tree to keep the sun from beaming down on your skin, right? So humans and animals use plants to provide shelter, right? So we can eat plants, we can use plants for shelter. Plants provide oxygen, food, and shelter for people and animals. We must remember to take good care of plants in our world so that they can take care of us too, right? That's why if you see some pretty plants, should we pick them? Only if you ask permission from the person growing. We shouldn't step on our plants, and we have to remember to provide our plants with their basic needs, right? Water, nutrients from the soil, air, and sunlight. So we remember why plants are really important to humans and other animals. The most important, they provide us oxygen, right? And why do we need that oxygen? To breathe. Who remembers the body part that takes in all that oxygen? Starts with l sound. Lungs, right? Our lungs take in that oxygen and spread it around our whole body. Plants provide us with that oxygen that we need to breathe, right? That air that we need to breathe. Plants also provide us with food, right? We eat lots of different fruits, lots of different vegetables, and we wouldn't have those fruits and vegetables if we didn't have plants. We need plants to eat because it provides us food. And last one, shelter, right? Shelter. Plants are super important for animals because it provides them with shelter, right? The bird would not be able to build a nest in a tree if there was no tree. The bird needs the tree to build the nest. And we need trees too, so that we could have wood, so that we could build our own homes, right? So we need plants to have shelter. Plants are important to people. And how are plants important to this boy? He's going to eat the apple from the tree. What can humans do with an apple tree? They can pick an apple from the tree and eat it. How are apple trees important to people? We need the apples off the tree. We need these apples off the tree so that we can have something yummy to snack on. Plants like apple trees are important to people because they give us food. Okay, very important, very important. Plants like trees and flowers, grass and bushes all give us oxygen. We have to remember to take care of the plants by giving them water and sunlight, right? Making sure they have enough soil. And we have to remember not to hurt the plants around us because they are very important to not only us, but other humans and animals.